Yes, guys, as you can see, kuqhubeka omkhulu umsindo, people and feeling joyous, kumnandi kunjeyana. Apparently, it was absolute shock ngenkathi kwenzeka le today enkantolo when uJoe Ferrari accused of extortion walk free negenge yakhe. The case was struck off the roll. Kusho ukuthi bafethu kwaphela kanjalo. We're gonna find out what is struck off the roll because abantu abaningi maybe they don't understand this term struck off the wall. So stick around because we're gonna be unpacking the why they did this, why they went scot-free. Anyway, Bafetu, I'm not too sure about you guys. I mean, I'm very worried. Maybe we have a system failure, like the NPA is failing us. We must ask ourselves these questions. Maybe we can get the answers. Was it the lack of missing document? We're not sure. Was it maybe the prosecutor didn't show up because he was threatened? We're not really sure what really happened. What made this case everybody that was looking for just out of the blue strike out of the road? Yes, we are talking about this gentleman. This gentleman is got very, very big cases, very serious cases, like extortion and some of the cases allegedly. No, this is not right. I don't like it because it's our taxpayers' money. I'm sure everybody was expecting something out of this case, but all of a sudden we see people walking free just like that. How can it be? Maybe who is at play when it comes to courts? Phela ukhumbule ukuthi ubaba uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwana has told us that we these guys have infiltrated even courts and judge systems. They were straight to capture the whole SAPS department. But I'm not saying anything. It's up to you to find out what really happened. Another question is the accused, accused back, Mr. Ferrari, will they walk free now? Or is this only implying to Mr. Joe Ferrari alone, or everybody who was there, maybe as a co-accused, is also walking scot-free? Let me ask you something, KZN. Then I want to find out from you. Do you really think his justice system here to South Africa has been infiltrated by a mafia, or it's been captured by the mafia, or this was just a fair trial? Okay, but I'm not too sure because whoever ubebafaka enkantolweni as a complainant ngithi kuyena run Modise run ungabusabheka emumva. Okay, this is the serious case, guys, and only to find out ukuthi thina as umphakathi, I'm not saying they are not innocent, or maybe they are innocent, I don't know. Yeah, but everybody was looking forward to this case because after General Nhlanhla Mkhwana's ngalo amhlaka 6 loyana said whatever he said last year, these are the terms of events. But if you see abantu that are being accused of such big crimes involving too many criminal activities, walk scot-free, what's going to happen to Madlanga Commission? Are we watching a movie, or maybe are we just part J and parcel? Yeah, it's okay, we did this, and I'm not too sure, KZN. Please leave a comment down with comment section. Tell me, how do you feel about this court verdict? Strike out of the roll is the big name today. If you know what it means, tell us in the comment section. Listen to Bafan. This is my favorite guy.
free now. You cannot, the sky is free. Yeah. I don't have anything to say. I've got my lawyer.
And
I'm
tell me,
my
do
lawyer.
you believe that you're innocent?
I've
And do
got
you,
my
what do you
lawyer.
believe about the
Got my
charges?
lawyer.
There's no charges, man. My lawyer will talk to you.
Ay, go. Pop more champagne, pop more bottle, pop more champagne, pop more bottle. Guys, South Africa is just a movie, guys. I'm so sorry. Yes. Guys, you're watching Tapping Online, DOP with Fly Motion. And also on that note, guys, ngicela ningivotele laphayana. I've just been nominated kuMzansi Community Media and Creative Awards as the best podcast. Kuthiwa ngongi-SMSela laphana. Please ngiyacela guys. Oh, ngobuka up until this point. This means you love my show. You've been with me from throughout and dust and whatever. Just SMS Mzansi 0882 40439. SMS kumzansi kunumber 0882 40439. Ngiyacela bafethu, let's take this one home. Let's show the world that we are capable of taking and winning awards. I thank you so much. See you on my next show. Ngiyothenga iFerrari njengamanje.